Somalia. Mogadishu, Lido Beach. Welcome guys to the channel. Welcome back to the channel guys. We are in Mogadishu, Lido Beach, Somalia, the longest coast of mainland Africa right now. So as you can see, we are in the far east coast of Somalia. So hoping that we're gonna capture some great events. Great events probably. And shout out to some subscribers. Most of my subscribers are Somalis. Born in Somalia, probably Somali nationals. So I'm gonna put the subtitles probably. And last time I told you I will put that, I forgot. No, but this time I'm gonna put some type subtitles probably, so that you can understand, in general. And guys, make sure to subscribe the channel, and hope you like, share the video, and reach out to more people, guys. More are coming in Somalia. To all my Somalis in Somalia, waxaan idin leeyahay, waa idin jeclahay. Video meel fog gaarsiiya, this is quruxda Somalia, waa kan anfant. So you can see there's buildings here, some new buildings that are built here. And yeah, we're gonna go guys. The journey is too far right now. Yeah. Now we have left the crowd behind. Now we are going to a place that there are quite less people. So let's see. I'm in Lido Beach, Somalia, in Mogadishu, the biggest, probably the biggest beach in East Africa, one of the biggest probably, after Kenya. I don't know. Guys, you compare with the Kenyan beach, even though I did not film the Kenyan beach, but I believe that this one here, it's like the longest coastline in mainland Africa. الرحمن مقدسه ما صح صح
انت انا مقدسه جوجا
اي
ولينا ما كبخين magaalada waa dhex jooga inta waa
صح
marka magaaladu waa fiican tahay magaalada wadeed waaye magaalada joogeeda waa degan yahay
marka aniga su'aal ku diro waxa tahay su'aalka qof walba weydiyo wadi si fiican u jawaabay liido kale ma jirto mise liidan tan waay
liido waa tan
meesha ugu weyn inta miya
liido qaybta ugu weyn liido qaybta laakiin liido waa dheer tahay waxay leedahay dhowr irid leedahay dhowr meel laga soo galaa jirto
meesha caadiga hadda ay dabaqa ugu dheer liido ku yaalo kan miya mise mid kale waa
ugu dheer liido waa
kan miya okay mise biyaha ila soo dhawaada biyaha waxa
hadda maanta xoogaas waxda hore way soo dhawaataa xilliga dambo laabataa
sax
marka marmar waxaa jirta badda biyaha ay soo badanayso marmar waxaa jirta ay tagayso ilaa iyo qaybtaan ay joogaan baan kana dukaas kan oo iskiya firaaqo
sax
marka waxay ku xiran tahay cimilada ku xiran tahay.
So guys, I'm going to translate. So guys, what my brother is basically saying is that the area, this is the only place that we call Lido. This is the biggest place right now, the biggest region in Lido Beach. people are very friendly. Dadka inta badan waxay ka cabsadaan inay kaamirada iyo waxa ka cabsadaan laakiin dadka halkan waa ilbaxsan yihiin.
oo jooga la socdaan
Jooga la socdaan.
jooga la socdaan
Guys,
youtube maxaa ku qoran
YouTube Khalid Qays. Telefoon ma wataa?
wano qad malo mobilka qad malo هم كلمة
كفير يوتيوب channel.
يوتيوب كان معك قرن خالد قيس
خالد قيس. خالد قيس. KHALID laba ama ya hal aw Khaalid Qays kan waa So guys, this is a experience that we have. I did not expect this, by the way. You know, they invited me to their video. They invited me to to film, and this is one of the most golden chances that you have here in Somalia. So yeah, man. Friday. Right now the time is 10 o'clock in the morning, 10 a.m. and just amazing. So, yeah. So basically, guys, you can see that the water is now going back right now, as you can see. So it's nothing much more serious. So the water is going back, which is fantastic. But that's so beautiful. That's so beautiful, guys. That's so beautiful. Like when I said it, there are so many people right now. I didn't mean to say that it's like currently like hundreds of people, you know. Oh, guys, man, absolutely beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Guys, bluefin tuna.
سكر
السلام عليكم.
حراسة 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 حراسة
أبو.
حراسة
هذه مال. هذه مال أبو.
سكر
مقيس.
سكر شذر 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 شذر
جذر. قميص مقاوة هل كعب مقاوة قميص.
أفرتانا كواد أيوة ما قاعد هذا ما قاعد محرم الرجال والله ما قاعد السوق هذا
Baiko ada arkayano.
ورقة بدنا ضيما
May. Budwa arkila basa keemade. Keemade. Laakiin malaaygan.
Somali laga helo Mombasa laga helo
Ujida.
laga helo burwaas يا ugu reer Mombasa ugu burwaaqaad hala Somali
Ujida.
halkaas malaatan door ma gaarin
Wallahi. Waxa hadda baaq waxa la yiraahdaa qana bluefin waxa la yellow fin way. Mareykanka. Halka wuxuu ku joogaa.
طرفش halka waa halka
Qayli waa Mareykanka.
tono tuna le
halkan giri kara halkan ku dhuman kara. Yellow fin tuna. Bashan qayli waa. Hal tahan kara laakiin Soomaa. Hal tahan kara.
hello
Tahan kara.
hay
Basha meeqa waay? Adiga ma gadin adiga sax. Ina adiga leedahay muday. So guys,
فريش واه
على صدق
انا ثلجه
مي معنا فريش بدل laga soo bixiyo xalay
ها سوا فريش واه
Guys, amazing man, amazing. So we are having a yellowfin tuna. Guys, we are having a stingray. Stingray. Guys, tell me what is the name of this stingray? I guess it's called a stingray. If not, or I think it's a. I forgot it. I forgot his name. Its name, guys. Anyone who tells me this name is a legend, guys. I'm gonna tag you in the video, guys. So tell me the name. So this is how it is. The stingray. Too much noise, guys. Too much noise because if you can't hear me, guys, bear with me. Bear with me. If you can't hear me, bear with me, guys. There is too much noise here. There is too much noise. Yeah. So I'm just following my colleagues to a spot where they are going to rinse themselves from the sun. So today I've not planned for swimming. I've not yet planned for any swimming. That's another day, guys, because the most important thing is that I wanted to show you the beauty side of Somalia, Mogadishu spot. So let's see. Yeah. So there's been ongoing construction here. There is ongoing constructions. Yeah. I'm gonna follow up my guys. So let's see. So we are keeping on moving on, guys. I'm trying to maintain the frame, obviously. I don't want to get people involved in this video, probably, but I'm trying to keep on to keep the frame. Yeah, I'm trying hard to keep the frame right now. Just that is the largest, or I would say the tallest building in this area, the Lido Beach. That's the tallest building that you've seen, probably. Amazing, guys, amazing. And about the sound quality, guys, there's too much noise here, so windy, too much noise. So bear with me, guys, bear with me. I'm gonna put subtitles for sure, but bear with me, guys, bear with me. You know, we're gonna have to endure that. You know, you're gonna have to go through that. But I'm gonna try hard to make my voice clear, guys. So yeah. Let's go, boys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Mogadishu, Lido Beach, Friday morning, here in East African time, 10 a.m. Guys, 10 a.m. East African time in Mogadishu, east coast of Africa, capital city of Somalia, the longest coastline in mainland Africa, the biggest beach here in the country, and the hospitality of the people is so welcoming, so thrilling, and yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. So we're gonna go back and see if we can find.
maanta waxaa la joogaa qaybtaas dalkii qaybtaas oo soo booqanay Lido marka ma sha Allah waxaa leeyahay qaybtaas soo dhawaa qaybta Lido ya maanta meesha taayinta meel ka sareyna ku ridii doonaan
insha Allah bro niyo dadka faraha badan dadka waxa arkay badankooda nimanka soo dhex maray camera ka baqayaan Somali ka galayaan
Somali waana u badna mar walba camera iyo maaragtay ka aaminsan yihiin wax kale ka aaminsan yihiin laakiin hadda jiilka Soomaalkuna way jecel yihiin camera u bacda TikTok iyo balaayo wax soo shidana sida dirto kale علينا big man qoran mid kala baari waa sidedkuna wadana
فولوزا
والله عانك اللي انتقاني دلي اللي كان عانك اللي كان
يعني كينيا كيما
لا لا سالم لكن عانك اللي
تيك توك ولا برو
اسبوع سديد لا تكون سي فلورس
هل تيماتي مساعدك اللي قالوا
وان تيم لكن هل تيم انا لكن انكليك استعمال
شو مع صورك المركه عرفتي او ضيق مياه قلي كرت هذا قلي كرتي مكان
قلي كرا
قلي عاد قلي So let's see. So we are on YouTube why? So subscribe محمود يا أصحاب محمود ليلى.
سبسرت نصار على العودة.
مقعد.
عبد الشكور أبو بكر علي.
عبد الشكور. وما سنت براد. Thanks.
أبو مرك.